Hi, this is Tutor and this is Word Origins 557. The word origin today is Kingpin. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot or it now, let's go right to it. Kingpin is usually the most important person, usually in an evil organization, often a drug lord. Okay, let's continue. There are two ideas about the origin. One is that it comes from a pin in a vault, and everything revolves around that pin, like the way underlings or minions revolve around the leader of an evil organization. The second theory is that it relates to bowling and the head pin, which is called the Kingpin. The Kingpin is the number one pin. Okay? And we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The FBI finally was able to track down that drug kingpin. Good. Number 2, in the Marvel comic book Daredevil, one of his common foes is Kingpin. Okay. Number 3, this is a quote from NBC. The Kingpin in our backyard is Maduro and Venezuela. Maduro, who has just recently been captured from Venezuela. And number 4, he was the kingpin of a youth gang. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it was clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.